In a Florida divorce, a divorce can have a profound impact on your children. And one of the things that you can tell that it's having a profound impact on your children is if they start acting out at school, their personality changes, they start lashing out more, they start having anger problems. Really, through the divorce process, your priority should be to protect your children from as much litigation as possible. And so getting them into counseling when you start seeing the signs, trying to talk through what's actually going on. And if you have a teenager, is this more of a teenage hormonal issue, or is this because they see the conflict with you and your spouse? And so these are conversations that you need to have with your children during the process so you can check in with them and make sure that they are okay during the entire process. In Florida divorce, a child should be protected from a divorce as much as possible. From a litigation perspective, it is really rare to try to bring your children into a divorce case or into a court hearing without a proper motion, because it has a profound impact on how they view you as a parent and how they view the other parent as a parent. And so it's really important that you try to limit what you tell them about the divorce, especially if they're younger and they're not sure about what's going on. They may have questions about why mommy isn't here or why daddy isn't here, and you can answer them, but it's always important to talk about the other parent in a positive light so you're not doing more harm than good with their questions. In Florida, a divorce can be quite contentious. You may not like the other person anymore, you may not like what they have done, but it's important that you try to protect the relationship as long as it's safe for the child. So that means talking about the other parent in a positive light, encouraging a relationship, encouraging them to go over, once again, as long as it's safe for them. And in the event, worst case scenario, you see your child struggling with the other parent, you can also seek family counseling so that your child has the opportunity to talk to the other parent about how they're viewing the situation that's ongoing. So it's really important during a divorce process just to protect both parents' relationship with the children as much as possible. In my experience, both working at the Department of Children and Families as a shelter attorney and in my private practice as a family law, I believe that therapy is instrumental in making sure that your children are okay through the process. A lot of this can be quite traumatic for them, and so they need a neutral third party that they can talk to honestly about their feelings without worrying that your feelings are being hurt. It's the therapist's job to help work through their feelings and navigate the process, just like you're trying to navigate the process as a parent during this time. If you have any questions about how you and your co-parent are navigating this divorce and the impact it could have on your children, please contact us for a free 30-minute consultation to discuss your case at cooperandcooperpa.com.